You can easily create awesome images that looks exactly like this right here with this tool I'm going to show you right here. Now this tool is one of the best AI text to image tool that you can easily think of, and this tool is called the Bing Image Creator. So simply go on to bing.com right here and you can easily create images from Words with AI, and the Bing Image Creator from Designer helps you generate images based on your Words with AI. So right here guys, you want to simply try out the Image Creator in the new Bing, and you can easily sign up by simply open up a Microsoft account right there, and once you simply tap onto join and create, it's going to take you right onto this dashboard whereby you simply place in your prompt and you want to simply make use of the free coins right here. And one of the best thing about this platform is that it is absolutely free, so the more you create the better you get. So you can easily play with prompts right here. So guys, you can decide to just simply just paste in a particular prompt and go on to create, and the bing.com, the Bing image generator, is just going to do this right here for me. So within a few minutes, as you can see, my image is being generated by AI. So you want to simply wait a few minutes for this to be done. And right here guys, as you can see, I've been able to create this images right here. So right here guys, the Bing Image Creator helps you generate 4 different images right here by simply making use of that particular prompt right here. And guys, as you can see, this is so amazing, and you can easily share this right here. You can save and even download this image, and you can also just customize this particular image right now, and you can also try out, if you go on to explore ideas, you can also try out the surprise me right here. So if you tap onto surprise me, it's just going to generate a prompt right here, as you can see. So simply go on to create and it's just going to generate 4 different images right here for us within a few seconds. And guys, right here, as you can see, the Bing Image Creator has been able to generate this from images right here by simply making use of a prompt. So guys, if you are curious on how you can easily generate images that looks exactly like this, you want to simply work with me right here. So right here guys, these are some prompts right here that you can easily just make use of to create this kind of images right here, making use of the Bing Image Creator. So right here guys, if I simply go into the Bing Image Creator, I want to simply just paste in that particular prompt, and once you're done, simply go on to create, and it's just going to generate 4 different images right here for you. And right here guys, as you can see, we have been able to generate these amazing images right here by simply just making use of that particular prompt right now. So guys, simply try out this step that I have showed you right here in this video. The Bing Image Creator is the #1 best text to image tool that you can actually think of right there, and you can easily just generate images in just 2 minutes.